Hi, I'm Iggy with Lincoln Electric, and I'm at our Reno, Nevada manufacturing facility where we design and build all of our Torchmate CNC plasma cutting tables. Today, I'm going to show you why our Torchmate 44 and 4800 are the best plasma cutting tables in the industry. Lincoln Electric is one of the only manufacturers in the industry that builds every component of the machine, including the plasma cutter, motion controller, software, and the table itself. Since Lincoln Electric designs and builds every component on this machine to work together, you'll have one complete system that's built and fully tested before ever leaving our facility. It also gives you one phone number to call and a single warranty on the entire system. We take full ownership for the quality and reliability of these machines. And now, as Lincoln Electric celebrates our 125th year in business, you'll have the peace of mind knowing that we'll be here to help you grow for many years to come. Torchmate tables ship as fully assembled, all-in-one systems designed to get you cutting extremely quickly. Machines are in stock and can be shipped in as little as 48 hours, giving you the ability to rapidly take on those new jobs and delivering a fast return on your investment. Setup is quick, and after the machine arrives, you can be cutting in under 30 minutes. And finally, Torchmate tables are backed by the best training in the industry to help you start operating your machine like an expert as quickly as possible. We host monthly in-person training seminars right here in our Reno, Nevada facility, as well as at regional training locations across the United States. Best of all, our extremely high-quality online training platform, Torchmate Academy, is a complete course teaching you from A to Z exactly how to operate your machine and design in Torchmate CAD. All in high-quality videos presented by the top Torchmate trainers in the country. With over 2,000 Torchmate 44 and 4800 machines in the field, this system is a proven platform giving you maximum confidence when you are looking to add a plasma table to your shop. Whether you're looking to grow your business or expand your classroom capabilities, Torchmate tables are the clear choice to help you confidently exceed the goals you have for your organization. Be sure to check out all of the outstanding success stories from businesses and schools implementing this technology and helping them grow to the next level. Give us a call at 866-571-1066 and let us help you choose the best Torchmate table for you.